What if you could lower your taxes, keep more of your income, and turn rich into super wealthy? That's the power of bonus depreciation. It's a proven IRS strategy that helps all investors reduce taxable income and reinvest savings into building lasting wealth. Here's how it works. Normally, depreciation spreads deductions evenly over many years. But with bonus depreciation, thanks to the new tax laws passed summer 2025, you can deduct a large portion right away. With a cost segregation study, we break a property into parts: appliances, flooring, landscaping, that can be written off much faster than the building itself. That means 5, 7, and 15-year assets can be fully depreciated in year one, often 30 to 35% of the purchase price. All deductible immediately. And for the next 5 years, it's still at 100%. Here's a simple example. You buy a $1 million property. Cost segregation finds $320,000 in short life assets. With bonus depreciation, you deduct that full $320,000 in 1 year. So, how do you qualify? There are two main paths: real estate professional status and short-term rentals. First, real estate professional status, or REPS. If you spend 750 hours or more in real estate activities, you can apply depreciation losses against other income. Here's the flexibility. Only one spouse needs to qualify, but both benefit, meaning depreciation can offset the income tax of the primary wage earner. REPS is common for real estate agents, but high-income earners can also qualify if they meet IRS requirements for active participation. The second path is short-term rentals. If you actively manage the property, meet the 100-hour rule, and do more work than anyone else, you may qualify. Your personal use must be 14 days or less, and average guest stays 7 days or less. Meet these rules, and bonus depreciation can offset W-2, 1099, K-1, or even capital gains income. We know this can feel complex, but that's why BDG Investments works with top CPAs, attorneys, and tax advisors. We've studied the tax codes in depth, so you don't have to. We simplify the process and make it hands-off for you. And with our detailed underwriting criteria, backed by hundreds of successful rental sales to savvy investors, we bring the same proven systems to every client. What happens when you sell? Normally, the IRS claws back savings through depreciation recapture. But with a 1031 exchange, you can defer both capital gains and recapture, repeating the process and compounding benefits over time. Talk to BDG Investments today to see how bonus depreciation will help you save on taxes, grow wealth, and build a stronger financial future.